Hi guys, so in this session let's see how we can pull or clone any public GitHub repository to your VS Code. So you can clone or pull any public repository of your own or any private repository you can also clone, but if you want to clone any private repository from other person, you require access to that GitHub repository first. Okay, so in our real-time projects in the companies, you cannot directly clone your projects from that company. First, team lead or manager has to add you as a member in that GitHub repository, and then you will get the access of that repository. So to clone any GitHub repository on your local system, you require Git installed on your system. Okay, so currently my system is Windows, so you require Git on the Windows. If your system is Mac or Linux, you require Git installed on that system. So just go to the official website of the Git, and here you can click to download the latest version. So just double click on the Windows installer file and complete the installation. So once Git is installed, just click on reload. Okay, so here you will get two options to open the folder or clone repository. So click on clone repository. So here you need to add the repository URL you want to clone. So first go to the github.com and sign up there and log in into your GitHub. Create any repository over there. So let's say I want to clone this my GitHub repository. Okay, so that URL I can take it from here, or you can go to the code, click on HTTPS and copy the URL. Again go back to the VS Code, click on clone repository and add that URL over here, press enter. So now it is asking where you want to save all the files from that GitHub repository on your local system. Okay, so you just need to create a folder in that all the files will be saved. So let's say I'm going to clone the GitHub repository in this folder. Click on select as repository destination. So cloning Git repository is in progress. Okay, so once it is done, it will ask you, would you like to open the cloned repository? So click on open. Okay, so all the files from that GitHub repository project are available on our local system now. Okay, so this is opened in the project mode. Okay, so this is the project name from that GitHub repository. So we have created the folder name GitHub clone, right? So what you have to do is you can click on open folder. Okay, and select that folder again and select the folder. So now that project will be opened under that folder. So this is how you can clone the public GitHub repository to your VS Code.